Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting removal now. First, find every instance of the Wi-Fi QR code, sticker, print, or saved photo. Take a clear photo for backup if you need to restore later, and write down SSID and password so you won't lose access. Once done, choose your removal method: physical removal, secure deletion of digital copies, or change router sharing. I'll guide you through each option step by step, so make sure you have admin access or the device with you. You'll remove digital copies now. Search photos, files, downloads, chat threads, and cloud backups for that QR image, and delete every copy you find. For higher security, use a Secure Delete tool or the phone's Remove Permanently option to overwrite storage. This prevents simple recovery. Once removed, change the Wi-Fi password and create a new QR only if you intend to reshare. This revokes old codes. Do that if unknown users. Finish up by addressing physical copies. Peel stickers, cover labels, or replace them. Use a cleaning solvent if adhesive remains, and dispose of scraps securely. Once physical and digital copies are gone, reboot the router and all devices, then confirm no one reconnects automatically. If a device still gains access, make sure it isn't storing old credentials. Go to Wi-Fi settings and forget the network, then rejoin with the new password. If problems persist, reset router settings or consult router admin for MAC filtering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.